Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to align this taskbar icons on the left side. So as you can see, it's on the center. By default on Windows 11 it comes in the center. I wanted to move it to the left, so for that I need to go to the taskbar settings. So how do I do that? So I can go on the taskbar here on the empty space. As you can see the mouse, so you can right click on here and you see the taskbar setting pop-up menu. Once you click on this one, it will open the taskbar settings. It will go to the personalization and then the taskbar, as you can see on top. So on the right pane of this window, you should scroll down to the bottom where you see the taskbar behaviors. You can see the alignment and the badging, automatically hide multiple displays, etc. So you click on this down arrow button. As you click on that, and then you need to scroll further down until you see all the menu. So here is your taskbar settings, where you can place your taskbar icons in the center or left. There is no right for sure, because Windows don't do that. Normally it's left for all the Windows previous versions, but in Windows 11 they put it in the center. I don't know why, but they did it, so it's okay. So I'm going to click on this one, the left option here, and then see what happens. See, the taskbar has been moved to the left side. The buttons, the start button, search, and then file explorer. So yes, you can do this way, as if you don't like the taskbar to be in the center, so you can move it on the left side. I would like to show one more time, so put it back on the center again. So it moved back on the center, so you don't have to do any save settings or anything like that. So once you change the setting here, and then it will automatically apply to everything. So I click on this one again, and then I click on left, so it will go back to the left. So this is one setting you can do with Windows 11 once you got it. I know so many people want to use the taskbar as the same as before, like Windows 10, 7, 8, XP, Professional, so whatever before we have. So that's what done. So, and also I don't want all these options like search or task view, widgets, and then I'm not going to use all of this for sure. So I'm going to turn those off for any instance or anything, but I don't need that at all in the first place. So apart from these things, I need to do a couple of settings where you can personalize. I don't like one more thing in here is the white taskbar, so I want it to be black or something like that, or it could be brown or blue, anything, but I don't like the white one. So you can right click on the desktop here anywhere on the screen. As you can see, you can go to display settings. Now the display settings, it's personalized, yeah, if I'm correct. So let's see. Yeah, once you go to the personalized thing, and then you select, there are much more themes available here, or you can download from the web. I'm not sure about that, but for now I click on this one because this one is so dark, and that's one more thing for sure. See, everything turned into dark, and then everything looks so nice now. So that's another thing. And also one more thing I don't like about this desktop screen is big icons on the desktop. As you can see, my icons are so big now. I mean, for a laptop with the resolution high, so I would like to prefer to have it very small, so I can see for myself, and then store more icons on the desktop. So for that case, I'm going to go ahead and then click on the desktop anywhere, and then Control Alt and then plus. So as you click on the plus key, you will see the size will be increased like this. So the maximum you can do is till here. So this big you can do with icons, but I don't want that. So what I do is Control Alt and then the dash key, or you can call minus or negative key. If you want to do the sort or anything, you can do change the icons like here. I don't know how you want to do in these settings, but you can play around. You can increase the icon size, you can decrease it. So it's up to you. It's on your desktop preferences and the new preferences. So that's all for today's video. I just want to show you the taskbar settings, like how do you want to align center and then the left side. So now you know how to do that after watching this video. And also the desktop icons should be small, big, or medium size. It's up to you guys, whatever you have preferences for that. So please make sure to drop a like and subscribe, and thanks for watching the video. Have a good day.